Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am trying something a little different for myself, as you can see in the description below. But anyways, I have these lashes today from Kiss Lash. It says Kiss Lash Couture Triple Push Up XL Collection lashes. These are the 25 mm lashes. I think this stands for millimeter. So 25 millimeter lash that are super long. Y'all, I'm pretty new to kind of even wearing lashes, but I'm also like, I feel like I kind of know my limits, but I don't know, I want to try something different. I usually wear like regular like mink lashes, but I noticed these do look really cute on some people, and then on some people, you know, they look a little crazy. But I kind of in the spirit of trying something new. When I saw this at the store, I actually bought this nail polish as well on the same day. It's from a collection called Fright Night. So and this is in the color, I don't remember, but it reminded me of like a blood red. I don't usually even wear like red nails, but I thought it was so pretty, and it has like these pretty flakes of glitter in it, blah blah blah. But anyways, this was right next to it, and I thought they were Halloween lashes, but actually looking at the packaging, these are just actually, you know, regular 25 mm lashes. So today we're going to try these lashes out and, you know, see how I feel about them for myself. I really feel like it's important, even though you might not like something, or you don't think it'll look good on you, or you don't think you'll like something, because it don't have to be just beauty stuff. But I'm always a fan of giving something a try before you just completely write it off. So let's get into it. All right, you guys, so first and foremost, I already have my makeup done for today. I did something kind of simple. I'm not in love yet, but it could be because my eyes are naked. So for this video, we're going to use these lashes that I showed you guys. They are in the, I didn't mention it, so the name of these are Nightdress. I don't know if you can see that. We're going to try, but Nightdress. I have some scissors because when you have new lashes, sometimes they're too long for your eyes and sometimes they fit perfect. So I have these just in case I need to cut them. One of my favorite lash glues, which is by Kiss, the Kiss lash glue. And then I have the eyelash tweezers, which I love. I should have grabbed my pink ones so you probably see it better, but yes, I have my things. And then like a little miniature mirror, which I'm gonna use the side that's like magnified, so you know you can see up close. Oh, and by the way, if anybody is interested in whatever lip gloss I'm wearing or whatever, I tried the NYX. This is Milky brand, and this one is in the shade Milk and Honey. I really like it. It's really cute. So if any of y'all haven't tried that yet, I say you should check it out. It's really inexpensive. So let me go ahead and get this box opened up and then I'll come back. All right, y'all, so I just kind of tried on one of the lashes just to see, you know, just to measure it to see if I need to cut any off. First of all, this is how the lash looks straight out the pack. I should have showed you guys when I first opened it. But I kind of measured it and it looked like it should fit fine if it's applied right. But I'm still going to go ahead and clip off a little piece on the end, like, I'm just going to clip off a little piece on the end. Probably like a whole section, actually. I'm going to do a whole section. And I'll show you guys what I mean by a whole section. I just did the first one, so this is the second pair that's going to go on my right eye. So when I say section, oh, away from the camera. When I say section, if you can see like where like a space is, I'm going to get like a whole like piece I'm going to cut off right there. Like where you'll see like some spacing, like a main section, that's where you're gonna cut. Or that's what I'm gonna cut. Your eyes are different. Everybody's eyes are different sizes, so just pick what works for you. Y'all, and I can't see that well right now. I don't have on my glasses or my contacts. I hate doing precise stuff when I'm feeling blind. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the glue on them, and I'm gonna come back when they're ready to apply, and we're gonna see the final outcome. All right, friends, so I'm ready to go ahead and try to put these lashes on because some parts of it is starting to turn blue. So it starts out as white and then it'll start turning blue. Let me see if I can show y'all this with my little YouTube hand. You should kind of see that, like, it's starting to turn blue. You can see a little white over here, but that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on because I don't want the other parts to dry out. So we're gonna put on our first lash. So I like to kind of angle my mirror. I kind of learned how to do my lashes from Miya Jha. Even though with her I kind of use her method, it took me a while to figure it out for myself. So yeah, so I kind of put it on at like an angle, and you want your lash tool, you want to start out in the middle of that tool so you can place the lash onto the middle of your eye, and it also helps like the front usually goes on pretty easy. And I would like to say for this lash so far, I do like how I like how thin the lash strip is, because the lashes I wear now are a lot thicker, so these are easier to blend in with your natural lash line by how thin it is. I don't like them too thin though. I don't like my lash strips being too thin because then it's harder to use, especially for beginners. How we looking? Y'all, I got spider legs. I feel like it's already opening my eye up a little bit, but let's see. I don't know. They might not be that dramatic. They did have other lash styles, but this was the prettiest one to me, so this is why I decided to give this one a try. So as you can see, this one is more blue now, so it's ready to apply. Once this goes from blue, it'll dry to like clear, so the best time to get it is while it's blue. Because when it's white, it's too wet. And when it's clear, it's like basically completely dry. Which sometimes it'll still have a little tackiness to it. But the best tacky time to put it on is when it is blue. When it's turning blue. And I'm just pressing it, just lifted it up a little. I'm pressing it down into my lash. And you're not applying it right on the lash, so if you're like a beginner with putting on lashes, let me just lay that down with my finger, because I keep pulling it up. I think it's a little glue on my lash thing. So if you have a little glue on your lash tool, or if you're using like regular tweezers, or these are lash tweezers, it can pull up the lash sometimes when you're trying to stick it together. So yeah, so what I was saying is I kind of pinch the lash with my real lashes so that they can blend better and you don't have that weird little gap in between. Another tool that helps is if you have on, you know, eyeliner, that helps hide that. Got a little, what you call it, on my face. Whew. I feel like my phone look really dark, so I can't see that well, but is it me or it just got a little darker in here or something? Maybe it's these lashes throwing shade. Literally. Okay, I'm messing with my hair, but this is the final look, you guys. Honestly, it's not that far off from the lashes that I wear. These are, I guess they kind of cute. This is how they look on me. I'm all up in the camera with my nostrils and stuff. But you guys, this video has been long enough. Thank you so much for watching. And I think this is since we're at the final part of this video, I can say try something new. Don't go off of, you know, just seeing other people doing stuff and, you know, ruling things out, saying it's not for you, because sometimes things will work for you even if it don't work for somebody else. And just give something to try. Either way, you know, like I said, I'm going for the red today. That's not my normal color. I'm still figuring out how I feel about it. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I usually associate red nails on me with like grandma nails. So I don't know, but the color is really pretty and I'm getting used to, you know, wearing that kind of thing for myself. But yes, you guys, try something new. And until next time, bye.